Hey everybody, it's Jamie Nicholls here from Direct Forex Trades, and I just want to congratulate you for making the very smart decision today to sign up. Now to sign up, you'll just need to click the sign up link below this video. That'll then take you to this page here. Make your way down to your basic information. So you fill it in here, first name, last name, email, and phone number. Then down to your user account information. So this is where you'll create a username and password. Now these are the details you'll use to log in every time into your account. So these are very important. So maybe write them down somewhere so you don't forget them. Then we move down to our membership plans. Now to trade as we trade as a team, the best to pick is the Platinum Starter Pack. This is 225, and then you'll also need to pick the Platinum Monthly, which is 164.95. So the initial payment is 225, which you'll pay today, and then in 30 days time you'll then pay the 164.95 monthly, and that'll be the payment every single month going forward. Now with the Platinum Monthly, you'll get IML TV, all the sessions, so you can watch master traders trading, obviously our harmonic scanner, pip talk, and these are some of the basic starting points that we use for our trading. But also to trade with our team, you'll also need the web analyzer. Now this can be added to your shopping cart once you have created your account, and this is $21.95 a month. So in total, with the $164.95 there and the $21.95 for the web analyzer, that will then come to $186.90 per month to be able to trade in our team as we do with the strategies that we use. Now with this, you can start off with the Platinum Monthly. This is the basic Platinum memberships, but should you choose, you can pick the Elite Monthly and have absolutely everything. So you could, if you really want to, for 325, have absolutely everything, all our apps, absolutely everything, all the web analyzer within it for 325. But that is not necessary at this point. And just so you know, you can actually upgrade and downgrade as you please once you've started your membership. So if you started off as a Platinum Starter Pack here, you can then upgrade here to the Elite Starter Pack. However, you can also do the other way around, where if you started off with the Elite Starter Pack, you can then downgrade to Platinum. So you can move around a lot of the products as you see fit. Now, to move down to your credit card information, it's very important here that you use a card that is in your name and your name alone, not in your partner's or your wife's or husband's or your sister's or brother's. It has to be in your name. The reason for this is for fraud protection. Then we move down to the final part here. So it's very important that all these boxes here are ticked, and very important that you tick this box here, which says Jamie Nicholls here is your enroller. Make sure you tick that. That's important because it connects you directly to me, and that means then I can invite you straight into our team. You'll come straight through to become a part of our Facebook community with all our trading software, our strategies. We'll get you involved straight away with our training units and a lot of our bonus software that we give absolutely free to our members, which is the BPM Elite for our bounce back strategy, and also the Exit Manager, which comes with that software. All you then need to do, click now, join now, and you're on your way, and I'll contact you straight away. Now, I just want to thank you for having the initiative, being proactive to join us today. I look forward to seeing your success in Forex, and I wish you all the best. I can't wait to speak to you. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon.